Hey there, welcome to day 1390 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting my personal journey as I transition and the people I work with from the brick and mortar corporate world of businesses to the online world of business. And in 2020, 2021 and beyond, back and forth. Just basically business, both on and offline. And we talk about the similarities. We talk about the differences. We talk about what works in different industries, different aspects of business as we're growing and building and supersizing our business. Today, I was talking about for No Nonsense November that change is blank. And I have come to terms with over the last several decades that change is absolutely positively inevitable. Number one, it makes life interesting. If things were the same all the time, I think that we would get very, very bored. It also gives us a level of certainty and uncertainty that is inherent in what human beings need to live and survive and have a great life, right? We like to know certain things and have some certainty in our life, but we also need some variety and uncertainty in our life as well. I think I learned that from probably Tony Robbins back in the late 70s, early 80s. One of the things I'm sure he got from Jim Rohn, one thing that you learn over decades of personal development training is that you start to hear the same lessons and the same messages, and then you start to embrace and live those lessons, and then you make them your own. And so one for me is that change is inevitable. To me, change isn't bad. It just is. And it's up to me to decide whether a particular change is positive or negative for me, or a situation or an experience.